Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video, I'll explain how to see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. For this, we have 3 ways. By using these ways, you can easily know that person is blocked you or not. So let's start the process. First of all, open your WhatsApp app. So the first thing is, the profile picture will disappear like this. If the profile picture of your friend is disappear, it means he might be blocked. But the same goes to my second friend. As you see, the profile picture of my second friend is also not showing. So it means he might delete his picture or he didn't upload the picture. So let's move to our second process. And second process is open the chat of the friend and start chatting like this. So as you see, after sending messages, only 1 tick mark is showing in the chat. So it means that person might block you. But it also happens when your friend will be offline or he might turn off his activity status. So let's move to our third one. The third way is go back and create a new group. And add the same friend like I am adding this. After adding, here's the group, and I add same friend which I think he might block me. So tap on this 3 dots and tap on the option group info and scroll down. So as you see, that friend is not showing in this group. So if the same thing has happened to you, it means that person 100% blocked you on WhatsApp. So but this way you can see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.